In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI, and we'll dive into some simple yet effective examples. If you're unfamiliar with Notion AI, it's an integrated feature that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance your productivity right within the Notion workspace. Whether you're managing projects, drafting documents, or organizing your wiki, Notion AI can offer a seamless experience. So, let's get started on this journey to unlock its full potential. First, begin by heading over to your connected Notion workspace. This is the hub where you can manage your wikis, documents, and projects all in one place. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, sign up is a straightforward process, and you can link it to your existing email. Logging in will bring you to Notion Home, which serves as your central dashboard, showcasing the breadth of your workspace. Now that you're on the Notion homepage, you'll want to navigate to a particular page or project where you'd like to utilize the power of Notion AI. This could be a new page you're setting up or a pre-existing project that you're looking to enhance. Click on the page you wish to work with. This step is essential as it determines where you will apply the AI functionalities. With your page open and ready, it's time to introduce Notion AI. Simply type in the command /AI directly on your chosen page. Doing so prompts Notion AI to activate, offering a wealth of tools that can automate or assist with various tasks. The AI feature is command-based, meaning it follows a specific set of actions once engaged, helping to streamline your workflow. At this point, you might be wondering what sort of tasks you can achieve with Notion AI. While there are numerous possibilities, Notion AI excels at augmenting productivity. Whether you're drafting a document and need assistance with phrasing, summarizing lengthy texts to extract key points, or optimizing your task management, Notion AI has got you covered. It's like having a smart assistant ready to handle mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. That's all for this tutorial on using Notion AI. Remember, the key to maximizing its benefits lies in exploring its capabilities and integrating them into your daily tasks. The more you engage with Notion AI, the better it gets at adapting to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide insightful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing with Notion AI.